Hey people, Franksman here. I'll give you an update on the Minibike frame from scratch. I got everything done except for the kickstand. I'll show you the bike. Forks are done. Pegs are done. Got the chin on there. Everything's welded up. Suspension works. Swing arm. And the seat looks weird, but it's comfortable. Excuse me. Next set of videos will be on the engine. Tearing down the engine, modifying it, and putting it back together. I'm not going to do step-by-step tear down of the engine or building it up. There's plenty of videos on YouTube for that. I'm going to focus on engine modifications first, and then I'll just show you a picture of the motor when it's done in the chassis. Okay, rate the video, like it, hate it, subscribe. Bye.